So a question I've been getting quite a bit lately is where are you getting your DJI drones in the US, for example, the Neo 2 or the Mavic 4 Pro or the Mini 5 Pro. Right now, all of DJI's drones are not available on their website as well as from a lot of major retailers, so it is a bit trickier to figure out where to get them. But I've got 3 places that I can recommend to get drones in the US right now. And those 3 are B&H Photo, Amazon, and eBay from South Korea. So first up, B&H Photo, they have various drones in stock like the Air 3S, Mavic 4 Pro, Mini 5 Pro, Avata 2, etc. But their prices are definitely on the more expensive side, and they're also limited in what options you can get. For example, here for the Air 3S, you can't get the regular combo, only the different Fly More combos. For the Mavic 4 Pro, fairly pricey, and you can't get just the drone with remote, you have to get one of the Fly More combos. And same thing here with the Mini 5 Pro, only Fly More combos are available. And the second thing you're going to run into from B&H is that the latest and the greatest drones at this point is the Neo 2, probably pretty soon will be the Avata 360, aren't available on their site at all. As you can see, only the old Neo is available. So that's B&H, they're a great photography camera equipment retailer, but they have pretty limited options at this point. And then the second option is Amazon. They actually have some really good deals on some of the older drones, for example, the Neo or the Mini 4K or something like the DJI Flip. They're all at or sometimes even discounted below the old prices, which is great. And right now they actually have a decent stock of quite a few drones like the Air 3S, the Mini 5 Pro in some of the combos. Some of them are going to take a couple weeks to get here. I don't know if they're getting shipped in from China or what. They do have stock of a lot of these drones, including the Avata 2, and quite a few of them are available to ship relatively soon. But again, if you want the latest drones, like for example the Neo 2, they are simply not in stock and you can't get them on Amazon. Which brings me to the last place, one of the cheapest places, and all in all, maybe one of the best places to get DJI drones right now, and that is off of eBay from South Korea. Now, I was initially super skeptical when I heard about getting drones off of eBay from South Korea. It sounded like it could all just be a big scam. But I decided to get my Mini 5 Pro from South Korea, test it out, and it got here in a week with absolutely no problems. And I've gotten a couple drones from a couple different sellers in South Korea with no problems at all. Just looking at the prices here, $850 plus about 70 shipping from South Korea for a Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo with the RCN3. Great pricing there. Neo 2 for $272 with actually free delivery. Again, great pricing. Mavic 4 Pro full Fly More combo with the RC2 for $2,395 plus 90 shipping. Full Avata 2 Fly More combo for $1,020, again plus 90 shipping. Air 3S Fly More combo for $1,435 plus 90 shipping. Some of the older drones like the Air 3S are actually going to be pretty close to the prices that you would be paying from B&H, maybe a little bit lower, but not as massively lower as some of the newer drones, like for example the Mini 5 Pro. And as you can see here, it says no tariffs in the US. Again, I was a little bit skeptical initially, but I didn't get charged any tariffs. They take all the responsibility for the tariffs on their end, and so you don't have to worry about it. Now, this is totally not an endorsement or guarantee. Be careful, do your own research, etc. But as I mentioned, I have gotten 2 drones from South Korea from 2 different sellers, and they both got here just fine. But one seller was just a lot more prompt about getting the drone shipped out, getting it here a lot faster than the other seller, so they are who I'd recommend. It's 102 Store 00. I'll put links down in the description to some of the drones from their store. And if you want to find other drones from their store, just click on their store and you can search for whatever you want. Let's say you want a Neo 2, just search it up here and you can see all of their different offerings for the Neo 2. Again, this is not an endorsement of this particular eBay seller. I've just used them and they have worked well for me. So just passing along that information to you. And as I mentioned, links to all this stuff will be down in the description. Yes, they are affiliate links, so I get a bit of a cut if you buy something through the link at no extra cost to you. And that's not particular to any eBay store or whatever. I get a cut wherever you get it from, but I'm just pointing you to where I've had a good experience. Drop in the comments what your experience has been getting hold of DJI drones, or if you have any tips and tricks. And just keep in mind that getting great shots with your drone is not about what kind of drone you have, it's about the skills that you have in flying and filming with it. And if you want to level up those skills, I put together a completely free 45-minute drone filmmaking training where I share my top 10 secrets to getting cinematic shots with any drone, and link to that is down in the description. Again, completely free, no strings attached. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button to see more videos just like this, and I'll see you in the next video.